Hello friends, finding kesung tine katal gaisa job ni notification nalenai notification akorka OMPI English Medium Model High Secondary School ni bisingtei notification kaisa akorka notice for temporary appointment na tilangjaknai inkero tinta post ni murjak tango AYA ni bagai inke vacancies ekta night guard ni bagai ekta tongnai cleaner bo ekta tongnai inke nara jara jara o tinta post ni bagai interested candidate tongnai application khaina thangke oro bona fide Indian citizens ongna nangnai sajak application khaina bagai oro application in plain paper tei logio all supporting document tilangai na application submission ma khainai application submission ni last date tongnai 6 September 2023 tarik jora inke interview ni date ongkha 8 September 2023 tarik no interview tongnai vacancies ni bagai full details swngnang mujungke school authority ni contact number jak tongo o contact number call khaina naro full details no sengui namano inke ar kaisa notification ka Tuidubari High Secondary School ni bisingtei oro tilangjaknai working interview ni bisingtino tilangjaknai name of the post tongo music third call as ni bir hingke 18 ni simi 45 years sujratei te SC ST roni bagai oro 5 years realization jaknai qualification hingke bachelor degree with diploma in music khaijak nangnai part class o 200 taka rjaknai 1 month ra maximum 30 class khaimana hini sajak oro hingke narok jara o post ni bagai interested candidate tongnai application submission ni date ongkha 31 August 2023 ni simi 8 September 2023 tarik jora tinaro school time thangkai no application submission khaimanai interview ni date tongnai 11 September 2023 tarik no interview lajaknai Tuidubari High Secondary School no 11 AM ni simi 2 PM joratei vacancies ni details no naro oro website jak tongo o website thangkai na naro kaham khe nainai di inke friends naro nugui mankhana Tuidubari High Secondary School ni bisingtei katal job ni notification o mahai katal job ni notification naina bagai Hastini Jobs YouTube channel subscribe khlai sabuk khai tei naro katal job ni notification nugui mano।